Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk. And no, it's not just another day, because today is the best day of the year. The most Swedish thing you can imagine. It's Midsommar. Yes. It is, together with julafton, Christmas, it is the day of all days. The national holiday of Sweden. The celebration of summer. And I'm here in Farsta, and in front of us we have the Midsommar pole here, and thousands of people celebrating the start of summer. Let's have a look. So this is the maypole and everyone's dancing around it. The ladies having flowers in their hair. We got the live band here. Traditional folklore music. This is really as Swedish as it gets. It doesn't get more Swedish than this.
Och då när vi sjunger Slang kom hit så ska vi alla inåt mot midsommarkransen. Och sen ska vi ut igen. Och sen ska vi ramla ner på nästa.
So yeah, they're going to the next song now.
Ja, kör nu. Vi kollar, nu är det inte. Vi har kört. Kristus lilla klocka skulle ut och åka in i han som körde. Kristus lilla klocka skulle ut och åka in i han som körde. Och i natt snack han hit. Och utåt snack han hit. Och ett snack och hit. Kristus lilla klocka skulle ut och åka in i han som körde. Kristus lilla klocka skulle ut och åka in i han som körde. Och ett snack och hit.
Då har vi räven raskar. Och då börjar vi med stormaken. Och sen bakar. Jajamän, räven raskar över isen. Räven raskar över isen. Räven raskar över isen.
It's beautiful here, flowers everywhere. Yeah, I would say this is the happiest day of the year in Sweden. I'm not gonna make this video too long. I just want to capture the vibe, you know, the essence of Midsommar in Sweden, which is feeling free, feeling summery, flowers, just enjoying the day. Super hot, by the way. You don't see that every day every year during Midsommar. It's sometimes also like 15 degrees, but today it's like a whooping, I don't know, 27 degrees or something. Way! Oh, I love this. Just families getting together. Alright, let's check out the music again, the band. So there's one person in the middle kind of leading it, and everyone else is like, you know, following. Yay!
Ni som inte har varit ute och dansat, ni har ett sista tillfälle på er. Klockan 1 så kör vi sista gången sång och dans. Välkomna
So
då.
I think they're having a little break now. It was the first dancing circle, and then at 1 o'clock they have another one. But that's it for me for today, people. I'm just gonna have a little, I'm gonna have a beer. That's what I'm gonna have and celebrate with the people that I'm here with. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little midsummer walk. I give you a thumbs up. Shout out to the chat gang. Happy midsummer. And I'll see you all in the next adventure. Bye bye.